Hey up, welcome back. So today I've got this Milwaukee Fastback utility knife to give you a look at. We'll see what features it's got, see whether you like the look of it. Is it worth buying? I don't know. Let's open it up and we'll have a look. Right, so this is the packaging, what it comes in. It's just the basic packaging. So let's crack it open, see what it's like. Right, so here's the knife. It's got a 5-blade storage, what just pulls out from inside it there. It comes with one blade installed, which when I was looking at them online, I just assumed it would come with 5 blades because all the pictures and everything show it with blades in this, but it doesn't come with them. It only comes with the single blade. If we turn it around, this I imagine is where you use, there's a little button here which is for your quick release mechanism. Make sure that that goes fully in there. You've got your belt clip, which is really stiff, and then your button to fold it in. It is the Fastback. It's made to be able to open out with one hand and close back up with one hand. It is, as you can see, fairly loose. You do have to have a bit of timing with it. You have to let go of the button as it comes up for it to lock into place. But yeah, it's not too bad. It does close and stay locked in place. Feels quite nice. It's a decent size. You've got your little wire stripper mode there. They call it a gut hook, I believe. Don't know why, but if anyone can tell me why they call it a gut hook, just leave that in the comments. But I mean, there's not really a great deal to say about it. It is what it is. Opens up really quickly. Feels like it might be on bearings. I don't know, it feels quite solid. It has got a feature, just let me get a tape measure. This will be useful for people who do a lot of drywalling, plasterboard. You can actually, it's got a little hook placement there for your tape measure to slot into. Let's see if I can show you this. Like a recess in here, which allows you to actually hook your tape measure into it. So, if you're wanting to cut a certain length of board, you can use that. Don't know how useful that is. I've never really had to do that before, but it's there. Probably better with a tape that isn't magnetic on the end, because it's just wants to stick on. But yeah, there we go. Let's see what blade it actually comes with. Can't actually see anything on it. No markings, no name on the blade. I'm assuming it will be a Milwaukee blade, but I can't 100% say because there's no markings on the blade itself. So I've got some extra blades what I'm going to just put into this storage and see how well it actually stores extra blades. It's I think it will only hold 5 blades at a time. Got 2 blades there. Oh, it is actually magnetic. It does hold the blades in place. That's nice. So yeah, you can hold less than 5 blades. Let's get 5 blades out. Right. I know these are Bosch blades. I find these to be relatively good, quite sharp. See how they actually fit in. Yeah, they fit in there nice and secure. I think it does actually hold them pretty well. I thought they were going to fall out at first, but yeah, it takes some shaking to make them fall out, which, yeah, very surprised at that. You do have to have the blade open to be able to close that. This little section here stops it from moving out when you don't want it to. But overall, yeah, feels like a nice utility knife. Yeah, very good. Right, so that's a quick look at the Milwaukee Fastback. I do like it. The finish on the back, it's kind of looks a bit like wood grain. It's very weird. Whether they must have had a rough, like a belt sander or something to finish it off or something. Really, it kind of looks like painted wood. But it's not, obviously. Yeah, like it. Very nice. Like I say, I was surprised it held them blades in as well as it did. It's due to the magnet that's inside it. Like I say, yeah, you have to really check it to make them fall out, which is pretty good. I kind of wish it would have come with the extra 5 blades. You know, it's kind of a bit deceiving. It never actually mentioned about the 5 blades, but in every picture it shows like extra blades in it, so you kind of think, oh, it must come with an extra 5 blades, but it don't. You have to put them in yourself. Unlike the Stanley Fatmax, that did actually come with extra blades in it already. But yeah, that's a different knife altogether. Still relatively good. But I'm going to stop rambling now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do quite like my gadgets. This is going to be well used. They're always very useful to have these kind of things. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.